Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the new mutation in Plants vs. Brainrots game on Roblox Sprout Studies update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Sprout Studies has been released in Plants vs. Brainrots, and in this update, we'll be able to get new mutation called the Abomination Mutation. Okay, here if we want to get this mutation, we just need to submit our seed to this machine and then we can get reward. For the next reward is money and also this brain rot, and we need to wait for about 5 minutes to get the mutated plants. And you will have 85% chance or possibility to get the abomination mutation. Let me show you my plant. Wait, I'm going to show you the one with the abomination. Okay, where is it? Okay, this one, my dragon fruit, and the abomination looks like this. Okay guys, and that's all about the new Abomination Mutation in Plants vs. Brainrots game on Roblox Sprout Studies update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!